This video has been brought to you by NextPCB. Hello, I'm Isaac with SlickBuys Mods and Repairs, and in today's video we're going to be cracking open the Asus Z13 Flow gaming tablet laptop hybrid. We're going to be cracking it open for the 16GB to 32GB RAM upgrade. So let's start the process by removing all the external screws, popping off the screen, and then extracting the motherboard. 10 minutes later, we got the motherboard removed. Here's a quick overview of the components, various circuits. Got the CPU, GPU, a little bit of the charging circuit up on the right. Flip it around, and this is where the RAM chips are going to be, right under this metal shielding tape. Let's go ahead and remove all this tape and start heating up the board. I'm going to set the board preheater to about 215 C. Top air is going to be about 400 C. And then I'm going to reflow the 32GB chips at the same temperatures, but I'm going to drop the airspeed of the hot air gun down, just so I don't blow the chips off the board like you'll see me still do. Here I'm just placing the 32GB RAM chips into the motherboard, the same way I'm going to place an ad insert for today's sponsor. NextPCB is a one-stop solution for PCB manufacturing, PCB assembly, and DFM analysis. NextPCB also provides complete turnkey PCBA solutions, ensuring precision, reliability, and fast turnaround times. Their one-on-one engineering service also helps ensure that your design is viable and is ready to produce working prototypes. If you're just getting started, NextPCB offers a $20 discount on your first PCB order, which can be accessed with the link down below in the description. And with that all being said, let's go back to the video and proceed with the Z13 32GB RAM upgrade. So here's the board view for this particular Z13 motherboard. It's going to show us where the strap resistor locations are. Since the device uses an Intel CPU, Intel boot guard makes making any BIOS tweaks difficult. So we're just gonna not do any of that. So we're gonna just avoid doing any of that, and we're gonna opt to move the strap resistors. That way we can have native 32GB RAM recognition without any BIOS tweaks. there you have it. The Z13 is recognizing the 32GB RAM in the BIOS natively. If you need your Z13 modded or repaired, feel free to shoot me a message through my website. It's going to be linked down in the description down below. And with all of that being said and done, this is Isaac with SlickBuys Mods and Repairs, and I thank you for watching.